YouTube, welcome back. Problem number 168, Excel sheet column title. This problem requires us to convert a given column number into an Excel style column title, similar to how spreadsheet software tables or labels columns works. So if you have look at it, is example like number A1, B equals 2, C equal to 3, uh, Z equals to 26, AA equals to 27, because yeah, there is two A's here. So we can see that this works like a number system with base of 26, but unlike normal base or zero based, Excel columns start from 1, not 0. Okay, this is important thing to understand here. This the approach that we can do. This approach is similar to converting like a decimal number to different base, like base set of 26. Also, if you know ASCII, I don't know how to let me search about how to write it because I know how to pronounce it. Yeah, ASCII. It's ASCII. If you don't know ASCII, ASCII basically it's a system that will convert characters to numbers because storing numbers is easier. So it's a similar idea, and actually we will use ASCII system as well when we're trying to convert. So our approach to the problem, we will divide the number by 26 to determine the rightmost character. After that, we might like subtract one from the number from the number before taking the module to adjust for one based indexing. After that, we append the corresponding characters A to Z, and after that, we repeat for remaining number until the number becomes 0. And in the end, we'll reverse the result since we since we compute from right to left. So okay, how does it work? Because I'm saying the solution and it might look quite complicated, but it's not that complicated, specifically when we're trying to write in the code. And this is the weird thing about code, that when you try to describe the code, it sounds really tough, but when you try to code it directly, it's way more easier to understand. So first we will have our result array, and it will be an array. So when we got a number, we will get specific number, and we need to get a specific character that represents this number. So let's return this result, because I always have a bad habit of not returning the results. And I'll create a while loop, and while column is bigger than 0. So first I will take, as I said before, we will take 1. Again, if we want to talk about that, we will subtract 1 from the number before taking the modules to adjust for 1 paged indexing. Okay, we will take 1 to adjust it to 0 paged index, because again, start from 1 paged index, not 0. So we take 1 to make sure that we adjust for 0 paged index. And after that, we will create a remain variable, and this one will get the last character. So it will have like column number moduled by 26. And I don't know if you know this moduled or not, but let's say that we have let's say that column number is 10. So if it was, and we moduled by 3, so the module, it works as follow. So we will have 10, and it will be moduled by 3. So it will be okay. How the results of it, like if 10 moduled by 3, the results will be 1, because the way that module works, it will be like 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, and we have only 1 remain, so we add 1. If it was 9 moduled by 3, it will be 0. So here we just want to get the remaining. So the remaining, we basically get the lost character. After that, we have we will result it will equals a string dot from character code. Here we are using ASCII, the ASCII value. Like if we have like 65, for example, that 65 is the ASCII value of A, and when I add the reminder, it's basically will be the 65 and the next character, and I will add the result with it. Basically, we convert to A to Z. And after that, the column number will equals math.floor, the column number divided by 26. Okay, let's try to understand what's going on here. Here, we subtract 1 from the column to make it 0 paste, because again, it's 1 paste. After that, we extract the last character by computing column modeled by 26, which give us the remainder or remain from 0 to 25, like A to Z. After that, we convert the remainder or the remain to letter using this code. Basically, 65 is the ASCII value of A. Adding the remainders, like it will maps something like that. Maps is to be like a 0. It will be like A, and 1 will be B, and 2 will be 3, something like that. So basically, we create our own ASCII system. This is what the functions is all about. After that, we divide the number by 26 and repeat the process. After that, we reverse the final string because we process from the least significant to the most significant. Let's run and see if it will work or not. It didn't work. Remain, not reminder. Let me run. Okay, this is a second time I see. It's not right. There is something wrong I did, I guess, here. What the wrong thing that I have done here? So I take 1 from the column number, okay, to make it 0 paste. After that, I let reminder column, I modeled by 26. Results, it will be equals string from character code, 65 plus the remain plus results. Here we convert A to Z, and the column number will equals math.floor column number divided by 26. And after that, I will return result. I guess it should work, but why it's not working? Okay, this is so weird. Let me try to copy the code here. I don't know what the wrong thing that I have done, to be honest. No. Okay, but my code was the same. What the wrong thing that I have done here? While loop is bigger than 0, results is an empty. I have the column number here. Let remain will equals column number modeled by 26. The results will equal string from character code 65 plus remaining. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it did work. It did work. Okay, so that's it for this video. And yeah, I hope you like my solution. And yeah, guys, see you in future videos.